Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. I want you to please check out this style that is perfect for women looking for a low maintenance style. It is a cut that will cut down on those frequent need for touch-ups, and this is a style that also features some beautiful sort of natural hair, sort of peppered gray haircut that will really match your skin type, and give you that youthful look you want. Another beautiful thing about the styles today is that it's a style that speaks that kind of statement hair. It's a style that will keep your look so fresh. It's a haircut that's really trending, and one more significant thing about this hairstyle is that it really have this movement, texture and individuality. So the style is really that cut that will complement your hair texture and density. So I just want you guys to please watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching this video. Is a style that really flatters different face shapes because of the angles they create. So this is a style that will really make you look so sleek, so youthful and so gorgeous. Okay, take a good look on this haircut and see how this beautiful woman looks so sexy on the style. I love the style. So here we have this beautiful haircut for you. Watch to the end and let me know how you feel about the cut at the end of the video. Okay, I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome to Wendy Styles, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.
Follow